This video is going to show you how to set the rebound and compression settings on your Aprilia Tuono V4 factory front shocks. So coming to the top of the bike here. So on the front left, it's going to be compression. And on the front right, it's going to be the rebound. Now, if you're following along at home, on your screen right now, you're going to see on page 172. To count the number of releases and or revolutions of adjustment settings, always start from the most rigid setting, whole clockwise rotation of the setting. So you're going to turn with a 3mm Allen key, the rebound and compression all the way in. That's going to be your base. So, and then one click out counterclockwise, that's one click, 2 revolutions, or your second click, that's 2 clicks, etc. So let's go ahead and do that right now. All right, we're going to take our 3mm Allen key, we're going to put it into the compression. Now I'll put my microphone right next to it so you can count the clicks. All right, we're going to go all the way clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so that was 15 clicks in. I'm gonna write that down as my pre-measurement. You're also gonna wanna know how much adjustability you're gonna have, so go ahead and back it out all the way. Count the clicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 33. So go ahead and write that down for a total number of clicks. Now I had my bike tuned by a suspension company about a couple days ago, but I didn't like the setting. So I'm gonna put it back to where I had it before, which was 18 clicks out. So what I'm gonna do, so I'm gonna turn this all the way back in, so bottoms out, okay? I'm gonna go 18 out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Compression's done, and one way to find out if you like this setting is when the bike feels too soft and achieves like a bottoming out, you're gonna wanna turn it more clockwise. If it's too hard, you wanna turn it counterclockwise. Maybe you're asking yourself, how do you know if your bike bottoms out? Go get a zip tie and feed it around your shock. Go ahead and attach the zip tie to your fork right there. Okay, don't pinch anything. And then this will slide up and down depending on how much compression you have on your bike. So go ahead and do your normal ride around maybe to track or your favorite back road, and wherever this zip tie ends up, that's pretty much the maximum travel that you usually hit on your ride. Just gonna snip off the excess, push this back up. All right guys, the rebound is on the right side of the bike, and we're gonna measure how many clicks we're currently at. So let's go turn this clockwise with a 3mm Allen key. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, okay? We're at 14 clicks out. Now we're gonna measure the total clicks to go out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 31 clicks. I'm gonna pause the screen right now and show from page 172. For the front fork, the V4 Tuono factory with the Öhlins, for on-road use, put the rebound to 12 clicks, put the compression to 16 clicks, and then your preload nut right here, that's gonna be completely open, 8 turns. And for the track use, you're gonna want your rebound to be 10 clicks out, your compression to be 13 clicks out, and your spring preload to be 11 turns, and your forks are gonna protrude around 3 notches or ½ an inch from the cap. Now because I was at 14 clicks before, I'm actually gonna go to 18 right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I'm gonna write this down. Be sure to take your 3mm Allen key with you on your first test drive so you can always pull over and make some changes. All right guys, that's how you set the rebound and compression on the front forks of your Aprilia Tuono V4 factory. If this video has helped you out, leave a comment and a like below. Please consider subscribing for more tips and tricks. On the next video, we're gonna go to the rear shock. Thanks guys.